Hello, today we will guide you through how to export Google Ads data to Google Sheets in real time. To get started, open your browser and go to the Google Ads login page. This is where you'll access the account that contains the campaign data you want to export. Once the page loads, click Sign in to Google Ads and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one advertising profile, so you end up in the right workspace from the start. After signing in, click Start Now to enter the Google Ads interface. Depending on your account setup, the exact layout may vary slightly, but the overall process remains the same. Once you're inside, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation menu. In that menu, click Campaigns from the drop-down area. This takes you into the section where your active and historical campaign performance data is organized. When the Campaigns area opens, click Campaigns again to make sure you are viewing the full campaign table. This is important because the export option will use the data currently shown in this view. If needed, take a moment to confirm that you're on the right page and looking at the campaign level information you want to send to Google Sheets. Next, scroll down within the Campaigns page. This helps bring more of the table into view and ensures you can clearly access the export controls on the screen. On the right side, locate the Download button and click it. This opens the Export menu, where Google Ads gives you a few format options for downloading your data. From that menu, choose Google Sheets. Selecting this option tells Google Ads to place the exported campaign data directly into a spreadsheet instead of downloading a file to your computer. After that, click Download to begin the export. Depending on your internet speed and the amount of campaign data in the table, this may take a few moments. Once the export finishes, open Google Sheets to view the results. Your campaign data should now be available in a spreadsheet, making it easier to review, share, or continue working with the information. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment to finish loading and then check your recent Google Sheets files. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Google Ads campaign data to Google Sheets.